Hello friends and followers. This is a little update about the factory. I hope I don't crash the drone. Drin? Ja, ich bin jetzt gerade drin und fliegt da jetzt gerade rum. Fang erstmal an aufzunehmen.
I just start recording first before I start flying, because sometimes I just fly and forget to record. Happened to me way too often. So I start recording and start flying afterwards.
Holy cow. I hope I don't crash the drone. Wow. Wow. Nice. Oh shit. Oh shit, this looks awesome. Okay, there is the wall that I painted together with Nick Moody and Doak.
In the Switch Walls project.
Crazy. Yeah, I'm a little bit afraid to fly out there backwards. Oh, you know what? I fly out backwards. Shit on it.
No risk, no fun. But I was able to see the drone, so...
I can see the drone, so I can fly out backwards without the risk.
But this is such a different look now when the right wall is missing and there is so much more light in this room, and also the whole floor is covered with concrete dust. I'm so happy that I have this footage, because this wall already now, when I edited this, I recorded the footage 2 weeks ago, and now this whole building is already gone. So even the last wall at the end with the big red graffiti is already gone.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, there you can see how close the factory was to the city center of my hometown, Warendorf. I was always saying it is in Belgium just to protect the location.
So let's see. Are there some graffitis visible as well?
And I try to fly into the next building that is recently accessible with a drone from outside as well. This is the main room with the best light condition, where I painted the most of the pieces and the most artworks. If you want to see the whole room tour about the factory from back then, when I still got the permission to walk in there and paint in there, check out this video inside the Graffiti Factory, where I show all the graffitis except the eye that I painted. I did this afterwards. Then, of course, the YouTube logo that I painted for their 20th birthday. And yeah, these two graffitis are not in this video, but everything else is in this video. I will link it at the end of this video. And yeah, some are still visible, like over there, the left piece from my cameraman Töser. We once painted together there and did not record anything about it.
Hi!
Someone was saying hello to me. Yeah, I'm still in love with this piece. Great flow. And this is also the blinkies and the heart are made with fluorescent color. And as this is the north side that does not get any sunlight on it, even after a year, it is still very, very shiny. They removed the door in the big artwork that I painted for the Turtles of Grayskull from Mattel. And
So the
you can
Mona
see-
Lisa is still there.
Yes, the Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa.
It's Mona Lisa, yes.
Können Sie das ja drauf verfolgen?
Ja, ja. Das ist so schön. Das ist die Mona Lisa, die habe ich da hinten gemalt.
Ja.
Und dann kann ich jetzt hier quasi auf dem Bildschirm sehen.
Draht drüber geht oder irgendwie. Sehen Sie das alles?
Also ich kann eigentlich alles relativ gut sehen.
And the man was concerned if there is a wire or something and I might fly against something.
Aber ich kenne mich ja relativ gut da drin aus. Ich weiß, da vorne sind so ein paar Pfeiler da.
Genau, ja.
When suddenly our mayor also appeared and was curious where I'm
Ja, ich bin
flying.
jetzt gerade drin und fliegt da jetzt gerade rum. Ich weiß nicht, ob ich das verwende. Wäre das ein Problem für dich, wenn du in einem YouTube-Video erscheinst und für sie?
Nein, dann gehen wir noch
Okay.
viral. Da ist auch noch eine Kamera.
Ja, genau.
Yeah, the young man, this is our mayor. Yeah, a lot of people were interested
Ja, klar.
in seeing how I fly in there. And there was the next man standing behind me. They were all super interested in seeing what I'm doing there. Yeah, at the front, this is another piece that Doak, Nick Moody, and me created in the
Geil.
Switch Walls project. And this is the last piece that I painted in this building.
Geil. Mal gucken, wie viel Platz ich noch hinter mir habe.
I need to see how much
da ist noch ein
space is
bisschen.
still behind me. I fly a little bit closer to the wall so that I can turn around and see that I get this piece completely perfect. Yeah, now I need to fly out there again without touching anything.
Ein bisschen hoch und vorsichtig rausfliegen.
A little bit
Gucken, dass da
upwards
nicht, weil
and
wenn irgendein
flying.
Kabel oder sowas von der Decke hängt, dann habe ich schon ein Problem. Ne? Also
I
jede
basically
Berührung
said the same
mit egal
again
was
to this man
bringt
that
die
now
Drohne
was
zum
standing
Absturz.
behind me. I am afraid to fly against the wire, but there was no wire. I made it.
So, jetzt bin ich sicher, jetzt bin ich wieder draußen.
Now I'm safe. I'm outside. And over there are the eyes that Nick Moody made on the roof. 2023. I don't know which parts of the factory will still get demolished. I will go there in the next days with the drone again. And if you want, I will give you another update video like this. It is not so much work for me to edit this real quick. I'm looking forward to a lot of paintings in 2026. Easy content like this one, where I just take an hour and upload something. And also the big productions where I edit several days or even a week and longer. There's some traveling already in the planning. Probably I will fly to Australia in April. We will see if this all works. I'm looking forward to 2026. It will be great, much better than 2025. Yeah.
Good. This was my little update. I hope that you were a little bit entertained. And I hope to see you in the next project. Bye bye.